Alright, hello everyone. Today we have BMW X3 8 2.8 liters, and it's my first video that I try to comment it by myself. I'm not a good commenter and English is not my first language, but let me know in the comments if you want me to keep like that. I will try my best. So here we have 2014 BMW X3. Now let's check for the trunk. I guess there's a spare tire right there. So what owner explained, if I press this button it will close all the doors after. So I'll just press here. Alright, let's check inside. Nice leather interior, and we have panoramic roof, and I also like the color, the wood finish. Up, cup holders, space for foot. I'm really tall, like almost 2 meters, but I still have space. We have some storage here. 12 volts port, and we have also heated rear seats, and here we have ventilation for both passengers. This is what he looks like. What I noticed is there's a lot of speakers, and the owner says that the music is very, music sound is very good. Yeah, very nice interior. Let's go in the front. This car actually has 130,000 kilometers, so as you see it's very good condition. Up. So what he explained, that this button, it's to release the mirrors. Nice material here. Oops. Yeah, I guess this station is for the mobile phone, maybe. Alright. We also have electric seat controllers, and up. Okay, let's try how it starts. Turn off the AC. Yeah, it still takes me some time to get used to BMW. Up. I can already tell that the insulation is very good compared to my Toyota Camry. The pedals are very sensitive like to brakes and to the gas. Like as usual, BMWs are very responsive, like to steering and to pedals, like you feel it right away. And right next to me it's the new owner, and you said that you own it like for 1 month, and what do you think so far?
Yes, so for tell you that I was expecting that I will really love this car, but not at this point, because after driving it for 1 month, I understood that I fell in love with it because it's really comfortable. It's really the good insulation. The sound of the speakers is really quality. So yes, it's really. I can use it every day, and I'm so satisfied with it. With it, like how it is.
Yeah, like just for the speakers, we have one right there, one here, here, and in the center. So lately we listen to some music and pretty nice quality. Like we're not trying to sell this car, it's not for sale, it's just honest opinion.
One second.
Yeah, for the music I'll
After?
yeah, because
After,
we have
okay.
copyright problems with YouTube, so I
That's no
cannot put
problem,
some music.
no problem.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I
But
thought, yeah.
yeah, just like you can believe that the music is good. Anyways, the like the speaker from phone or tablet, from what you watch, it's will not really uh, share exactly what we are hearing. But yeah, the car feels really nice. It's like comfortable and responsive at the same time. So it has like 2 liters twin turbo. I don't know exactly on the long term what is reliability of these engines, but this car has 130,000 kilometers, and so far it's going well. Do you have like any maintenance to make for it?
No, the only thing you can see the yellow signal right there is because I didn't put the how you call it in English, well, the liquid for the window.
Okay.
This is why it's showing the yellow signal. But no, it's every day, every month, or every 5 or 6 thousand miles, or I mean kilometers. I'm using, like, taking the car to the garage. So yes, I'm taking care of it.
And you said about the gas mileage is like about 8 liters, or
Yes, you
okay.
can press on the bottom like this right there.
Here?
Yes, and it show you
Okay.
right now.
Like right now we
it's,
have 11.
11 and 4.
Yes.
But
On the highway, I guess it's like about 8.
in the highway is 8.4, and I think combinate is like something like I think 10, because now it's 11 and highway is 8 to 4. So yes.
Yeah, it's like very nice for this size of the car. It's like my Toyota Camry takes more. My Camry takes about like 10 liters for 100 kilometers. So yeah, we can wrap up right there.
And just in case, tell you that here is the premium gas.
Ah, yeah.
So yes.
The air condition is like ice cold, but it's nice. It's okay. Yeah, thank you for sharing your car. I will make a little outro. So yeah, let me know, guys, if you like this kind of commenting. If you like to make me comment video like this in the future, let me know in the comments. What do you think? And thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Yeah, just a little extra. My friend mentioned that we can also show you the rear camera. Yeah, you see? So that's really cool, and you also see it right there. So if it's very close, it will send like auditive signals that you can stop before you crash. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.